Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Irunmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you.
To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information.
Shango returned joy to Olofin. Rezo. Adifa fun Olofin, mebo eshe lokan. Mashi bu bobo ariana, oba aye elewe. Mojaba efaya, sabere omi. Sango odide ayeya. She olorisha aro, ere fereda. Beloda fun sango. Patakin. Shango was a merchant, and when he arrived in his land, he found that Olofin was sad and mute. There was no one who could make him speak, and he had shut himself away in his Igbo Bororo, his great forest. When Shango saw this, he told the Orisha that he possessed the means to restore Olofin's joy. He then took from his bag a package wrapped in 4 colors. When he unwrapped it, from inside emerged a beautiful parrot that said, Abde agua foja ade I Olofin. Of all the children, I am the one who sees the crown of Olofin. When Olofin heard the parrot speak, he said, But it speaks! And he began to laugh. He lifted the parrot and placed it upon his head, filled with joy. Olofin became happy once again. But all the Orisha, seeing that Shango, by restoring Olofin's joy, had gained his trust, became upset and decided to conspire against Olofin. One day, they hooded the parrot and took it deep into the center of the forest. When Olofin noticed the bird's absence, he fell again into sadness and stopped speaking to anyone. When Shango realized that the parrot had disappeared, he searched for it and found it a few days later, starving and hooded. He asked it, Who did this to you? The parrot answered, I do not know. All are traitors. And the parrot died. Shango went to see Orunmila. Orunmila performed osode and saw this Ifa sign. He then gave Shango another parrot, blew his ashe into it, and Shango took it back to Olofin, who once again became joyful. Olofin summoned all the Orisha and said to them, So that each of you will respect the parrot, from this day forward you shall wear your jújú upon your crowns. To ban eshu.